Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to play PC games on your Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, we need to install application. It's called Persec. Well, Persec is a gaming app that allows you to stream and play games remotely on any device with a low latency. So what we're gonna do now is to install a Persec in our computer. So first, open your browser, then go to google.com and the search bar, search for download. Download Persec like this. Then go to the first website and then click download for Windows 16 4-byte. Perfect. Then click here and click yes. Then click next. Then click next and wait a while. Perfect. As you can see here, we installed Persec successfully. The next step, we need to create a new account. So go here and click sign up. Then write here your email address. Close this and write your email address here and write your username here. Then click next. Then write your password and repeat password here. Then repeat password. Then tap I agree, verify you are a human, and click create account. Now Persec will send you a verification code in your email. Then go to your Gmail account. Then copy the code. Come back to website. Paste it here and click submit verification code. Now as you can see here, email verified. Okay, so now click here myself and here click set up later, and as you can see now you can use Persec successfully. Okay, so here come back to the application. Here write your email address, then write your password, then tap login. Then as you can see here, tap reload and tap share. Perfect. Now we successfully finish set up in the application in our computer. The next step, come back to your Android mobile, then go to Play Store and then tap search and search for Persec. Then click install and now wait until finish installing Persec. After installing, click open and now write your email address and your password. After write your informations, tap login, then tap connect. And as you can see here, your mobile will be connected to your computer successfully. You can play any games on your laptop easy on your Android mobile. So for example here, if we open Fortnite, Epic Game Launcher. Now as you can see here, you will see it in your Android mobile. Now go to Fortnite and click launch. And here, as you can see, you can play game Fortnite or PUBG or Free Fire easy on your Android mobile. So be attention, guys. You need to have a Bluetooth controller to play any games smoothly. Okay, because if you play with keyboard, you will have some difficulty playing games or PC games. Okay, so it's better to have a control to play games without any problem. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.